Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizar Ahmed. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any important updates. So today I'll be telling you about 0 to 10k followers in 30 days, a step-by-step guide. I'll be teaching you people how to gain this now. Let us start off. Introduction. Growing from 0 to 10k followers is possible with the right strategy. So what are the strategies? I'll tell you. This guide will help you maximize growth in 30 days. Keep focus, content engagement and optimization. Let us go to the next point now. Step 1. Define your niche. Choose a specific niche. For example, your fitness or business or travel or fashion, what kind of influencer you are. Identify your target audience and their interests. Check competitors to see what they are doing. Step 2. Optimize your Instagram bio. Use a clear profile picture. Write a compelling bio with keywords. Also add a call to action link. Use a recognizable username and handle. Let us go to the next step. Step 3. Set up a content strategy. Mix reels, carousels and single posts. Plan content around value, means educational, entertaining or inspiring. Post consistently 1 to 2 times per day. Add some stories, add some posts. Next step. Create viral worthy reels, means use trending audio and effects, keep videos short, engaging and high quality, add captions and hooks to grab attention, post 5 to 7 reels per week for maximum exposure of your account. Let us go to the next step. Leverage carousels and high value posts. Carousels increase engagement and save rates. Teach something valuable in a step by step format like how I am doing now. Use bold text and catchy headlines. Next one. Use trending and niche hashtags. Use 10 to 15 relevant hashtags per post. Mix trending, mid range, and niche specific hashtags. Rotate hashtags every few posts to reach new audiences. Next one. Seventh step, master Instagram stories. Very important. Post 5 to 10 stories daily. Not possible, at least post one story daily. Use interactive stickers, polls, quizzes, question and answers. Share behind the scenes content. Reply to DMs and collaborate with your audience. So next one is step 8 is collaborate with influencers. Partner with similar creators for shoutouts. Do Instagram lives to tap into new audiences. Offer value in collaborations, that is giveaways and joint reels with others. Step 9. Engage with your audience, means reply to comments and DMs daily. Comment on trending posts in your niche. Like and share content from followers to build community. Let us go to the next point, that is step 10. Use giveaways and contests. Very important. Run a simple giveaway. For example, tag 3 friends and follow, let them share it. Offer something valuable like free product or shout out, something like that, etc. etc. Then set clear rules for entry to maximize the reach. Step 11. Leverage multi-platform growth. That is, share Instagram content on TikTok if you have, YouTube Shorts and Twitter. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your Instagram. Repurpose content across multiple platforms. Step 12 is post at peak times. That is, best times to post is 9 am to 11 am and 6 pm to 9 pm. Use Instagram Insights to find your audience's active time. Post when your followers are most engaged and active. Okay, so let us go to the next point. Use call to action. This is step 13, that is encourage users to like, comment, share and share. Example, save this post for later or tag a friend who needs this. CTS, increase engagement, helping you grow faster. So I want you people to subscribe to this channel soon. Next step, step 14, stay consistent and analyze performance. Growth requires daily effort and consistency. So track insights weekly to see what's working out. Adjust your strategy based on analytics. Guys, like this video, share this with others. I'll give you a bonus tip now. Paid ads for growth, that is, run targeted Instagram ads for faster reach. Promote high performing posts to new audiences. Use lookalike audiences for better results. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, subscribe, watch other videos also. You can grow your Instagram easily. Let me come to the conclusion now. Going from 0 to 10k followers in 30 days is achievable. Follow the steps, optimize, create, engage and collaborate. Stay consistent and adapt to friends. Start today and track your progress. Okay guys, this is the last time I'm requesting you people, like this video. If you have any doubts, comment on this post. I'll try to solve your questions. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, watch other videos. Thank you for watching this video guys.